You'll see how to upload your purchase or sales entries to your invoice when the invoice is available in PDF or image format. To get started, click on the Invoice Scan button from the dashboard. If it's a purchase invoice, click on Purchase Invoice. If it's a sales invoice, click on Sales Invoice. In this case, I'll click on Purchase Invoice. Now click on the Upload button. In my case, I want to make itemized entries, and the default voucher type will be Purchase. The default go-down will be Main Location. Now I'll upload the invoice. You can also upload multiple invoices at the same time. Each invoice must be uploaded as a separate file. Now click on the Next button. Depending on whether you maintain common tax ledgers across GST percentages or separate ledgers for each GST purchases, you can choose from the above two options. In my case, I maintain separate ledgers for each percentage, so I'm going to click on the 18% one. The input tax ledgers need to be given just once, and the system will automatically populate this the next time. Now click on the Submit button. Please note that this input only needs to be given once, and the system will automatically populate it the next time. Once we have uploaded the invoice, it will move into review status within a couple of minutes. Once the Review button appears, click on the Review button. On the left side, you'll see the actual invoice copy, and on the right side, you'll see the voucher entry data being populated. First, compare the invoice total with the entry total, which in this case is exactly the same. The invoice number has been picked up correctly. The date here is Bill, 5th April. The party name is correct. The voucher type is... The party name has been based on the supplier's name in the invoice. Our Speedy recommendations has accurately identified the party ledger and the voucher type. I only need to give the input for the purchase ledger. You'll see that if the stock items are already present in Tally, they are auto-populated here. If the stock item has not been created in Tally, all I have to do is click on Create Stock Item, specify the group and the unit, and then click on Create Stock Item. When we send it to Tally, the stock item will also be auto-created. Now that I've matched the total, the GST amount, and all the stock items, all I need to do is click on Save and Approve. Then I just have to click on Send to Tally.